Want to speak English easily? Let's learn step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Grandma. Today, we are going to learn different fish names in a very easy way. Watch carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. This is an angelfish. It has a tall, flat body and long fins. Repeat after me, angelfish. This is a barracuda. It has sharp teeth and a long body. Repeat after me, barracuda. This is a Betta fish. It has long, colorful, flowing fins. Repeat after me, Betta fish. This is a butterfly fish. It has bright colors and beautiful patterns. Repeat after me, butterfly fish. This is a catfish. It has long whiskers on its face. Repeat after me, catfish. This is a clownfish. It has orange color with white stripes. Repeat after me, clownfish. This is an eel. It has a long, snake-like body. Repeat after me, eel. This is a goldfish. It has a bright golden color and long fins. Repeat after me, goldfish. This is a lionfish. It has long, spiky fins and bold stripes. Repeat after me, lionfish. This is a mackerel. It has dark, wavy stripes on its body. Repeat after me, mackerel. This is a parrotfish. It has bright colors and a beak-like mouth. Repeat after me, parrotfish. This is a pufferfish. It can pop up into a round shape. Repeat after me, pufferfish. This is a salmon fish. It has a smooth body with a light pink color. Repeat after me, salmon fish. This is a seahorse. It has a curved body and a curled tail. Repeat after me, seahorse. This is a shark. It has sharp teeth and a strong body. Repeat after me, shark. This is a stingray. It has a flat body and a long tail. Repeat after me, stingray. This is a swordfish. It has a long, pointed nose like a sword. Repeat after me, swordfish. This is a tilapia. It has a simple body and light patterns. Repeat after me, tilapia. This is a trout. It has small dark spots on its body. Repeat after me, trout. This is a tuna fish. It has a smooth body and swims very fast. Repeat after me, tuna fish. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube for more. See you in the next video. Bye.